Everybody, welcome to this video. Today's video we're gonna take a look on how to install Node.js on our Mac. So I've already just click here download. I'll post the link down below. You just click download. This is the current version. So I've already downloaded it to save time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna continue, continue, agree, install. Enter your password. So it's finished. You can like keep or move to scratch. So from now you go to your terminal and just type here terminal. From terminal you type node dash 1.2, you type version, you press enter. You see this is a version. It shows you already have Node.js on your Mac system, Mac computer. So thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. Until then, see you guys.